Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a unique pet bed that all of your pets are going to be completely obsessed with, you need to get this one from Pet Paw. There's just something about this bed that the second I put it down on the floor, all of my animals are wanting to lay on it. It is this beautiful faux fur, and I love that because it looks so nice. It doesn't look like a pet bed full of fur, it looks like a luxury fur rug. It has a great removable cover that has a awesome protected waterproof foam on the inside that is really durable and comfortable. It has a fantastic non-slip bottom, and I have this one in the size small medium, which is perfect for my cats. But as you can see, my larger dogs even love laying on it. My bigger dog doesn't really love sleeping on a bed, so I think she likes that she can have something comfortable while still laying on the floor. I love how this looks, and it is so comfy for them. All of my animals are completely obsessed and fight over using this bed. I couldn't be more happy with it, and that's my point of view.